Good morning. I'm recording on Zoom and on Facebook at the same time. I'm promoting audiences that want to join so we can have dialogue, but in the interim, with all that's going on in the world, I am scheduling time purposely to include my voice with what the world is doing today with protest and quiet peace about what's happening to our people, and also in reference to COVID 19 and the riots that are going on. There's so much anger in the world. The book I picked was on happy. 30 Days of Happiness. I did this book for the first time in 2018 when I was going through my own challenges. And now the world is going through a challenge together. So on day two, what you say, you get. Good morning. Today, you are going to see how controlling the words you speak, can change your life. Never underestimate the power of words. You make your world with words, just as you do with your thoughts. What is negative, any statement of lack, limitation, failure, or unfulfillment, look at the following statements. I will never be able to learn that. I can't afford that. We'll probably always live from hand to mouth. I'm sure I'll be sick tomorrow after staying out so late. I'll never find a job I like. Do you think these statements are harmless? People talk about being realistic as they defend setting themselves up for failure, poverty, illness, and any number of problems. There is nothing realistic about saying such things. I never have enough money, or I'm always sick. No one is never or always anything. Even saying this is going to be a rotten day, actually, because it is to be rotten. When you focus on any negative situation, thinking and talking about it, you cause more of the same to happen to you. Many people use terms, use the term self-fulfilling prophecy, but your spoken words are prophecies of predestined events. Your spoken words set the event, bad or good, into action. Your words actually cause the event to happen. Have you ever noticed that when you tell someone you feel tired or ill, you begin to feel even worse? You would start to feel better almost immediately if you said, I'm feeling better by the minute. Before you say anything, train yourself to ask, do I want this to happen? The spiritual leaders of Egypt, India, Persia, China, and Tibet have always taught the power of the spoken word. The Bible contains over 200 references to the power of the words, such as, thou shalt decree a thing, and it shall be established unto thee. That's Job 22nd chapter, 28 verse. Accept this truth. Words are creative. What you say, you get. You have the power to turn a potentially wonderful situation in your life into failure by talking failure. I probably won't get that job, etc. You always have the power to create incredibly good things. Some people fear counting chickens before they hatch. They don't allow themselves to get excited over thoughts of a joyful future. The result, a life of mediocre and unsuccessful events. The power of word is this: a positive statement of good for you to experience, often and all that is needed to turn the tides of events. It can swiftly and easily produce what you say. Get excited about what you want. Talk about it, and high expectations are happening. But remember, if you can't do that first, the very least you can do is stop talking about things negatively. Clamp a hand over your mouth before you let yourself say that you'll be sick, poor, or out of a job, or anything else that you don't want to have happen. Today's exercise: for today, the remainder of these 30 days to happiness, you will rid yourself of negative statements and statements about things you don't want to experience. If it is a negative statement that slips out of your mouth, immediately counteract it with a strong positive statement. For example, no, I won't be sick tomorrow. I'm going to feel wonderful in the morning. Repeat aloud and say the words 5 times, or say today's words 5 times. Say only what you want to be true. There is nothing no such thing as a casual statement. My own words create miracles in my life. So there you go. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay informed, stay inspired.